Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amaka of Skywell Beauty. There are two essentials when you're moving to Africa. You need a place to live and a means of transportation. And in this video, I'm taking you guys to an amazing apartment here in Accra. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how much it costs to rent or buy a car here in Ghana. Just a quick one before we get started. So the apartments I'm taking you to are 1 bed, 2 bed and 3 bed apartments. Your switch. This is very important, okay, especially when you're coming with your appliances from the west. You don't have issues with that. I honestly think that this place is really fantastic. I mean, the lighting in here is divine. The place looks well lit. The apartment is really beautiful. I mean, look at this gorgeousness. Like, this place is so gorgeous. This is your kitchen right here. You have your dining area. You have your living space right here. So let's head over to the other side and see what we have there. It has all the amenities you would need. You have your Wi-Fi, your electricity, your water is fully furnished, security 24/7, there's cleaning service, you know, the standard apartment life. And the houses are really beautiful. Trust me, for a place in Accra, to find this at this price, this is a complete steal. It has 2 living areas. You have the first one here, and you have another living area here. When you first walk in, you're met with your kitchen as usual. You have your dining area right here, and on this side you have the first bedroom. So this is the next one. This is a one-bed studio apartment, as you can see here. Wow, I really love this space. If I were still renting an apartment, I totally would take this place ASAP. Like, guys, look at this place. Guys, so here we are at the rooftop area. This is the bar, also available for you when you rent this apartment. I feel like this is a one-stop shop. You have your fully furnished apartment, you have your pool area, you have your gym, you have your bar. I mean, everything you would need in an apartment is here. The only thing you need to come along with is your clothes, basically. And once you pay, you have security, internet, electricity. I think this is a sweet deal here in Accra, because getting this type of luxury apartment for this price is next to impossible. Take it from me, I have gone house hunting and I know what I'm talking about. It's not easy to find, you know, a good place at a decent price. The details will be in the description box below if you're interested in renting this apartment.
Yes, all these ones are for sale.
Okay.
And this one is 2019 Honda Civic. That one is 95,000 Ghana.
Okay.
And this for 2017,
Okay.
that was 80,000
80,000
Ghana.
Ghana
They can give you maybe 75,000.
Okay.
And I forgot about this one. This one is 2015.
2015
Yeah.
Toyota
Corolla.
Corolla.
That would be
Okay.
65,000.
65,000.
The last price would be 63,000 Ghana.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is 2014.
Okay.
And this is 55,000 Ghana.
Okay.
Yeah. And the lowest one is this, the matches. That was 19,000 Ghana city. Yeah.
Can we look at some SUVs?
SUV is Hyundai Santa Fe,
Okay.
2016.
Okay.
And this one is 95,000 Ghana city.
Okay.
This is Chevrolet Equinox,
Okay.
2017, 85,000.
85,000 cities.
Yeah.
Okay.
They can give you maybe 80,000.
Okay.
And this 2017 Toyota Highlander.
Okay.
That was 190,000.
190,000
Yeah,
cities.
Ghana
Okay.
city. Yeah. So we can go to the rental cars.
The rentals.
This is for rental.
Alright.
Within Accra is 500. Within Accra. But outside Accra, maybe Ho, Cape Coast, Kumasi, 700
Okay. 700 a day.
a
Right?
day.
Okay.
But if you want to rent it long, we can give you a discount. The same thing like this one. This one is for rental.
Okay.
And outside Accra is 800 Ghana.
Okay.
But within Accra here is 500. That one will depend on the duration.
Okay.
And they can give you a discount. And this small cars, Accra is 250.
Okay.
And Cape Coast, Kumasi, Ho, 300. The same thing applies to these ones.
So
Some come from the sprinters. And my name is Mr. Muhammad. And my number is 050-271-8818.
thank you so much for speaking to me.
You're welcome.
If you are moving to Ghana and you're looking for a place to buy a car or to rent a car, if you want to Uber around, the price can really add up very quickly. The main thing you want to do is make sure you get your license with you when you're coming here, and then you just have to take that to the DVLA and they would trade that in. I mean, I think you pay about 600 or 700 cedis and they'll be able to trade that in for a Ghanaian license, or better still, they'll be able to give you an international license that you can use to drive around, and you are hassle free. And opt for a registered car or a non-registered. I'll say get the registered so you go through less headache. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.